Moving on to the next topic, application of determinants and matrices. So, இவ்ளோ நேரம் நம்ம வந்து determinants எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணோம்? Area of triangle கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு, equation of line joining two points கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு. இப்போ மூணாவதா நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? We are going to use it to solve a system of linear equation. இப்போ you have x1, for example, you have x1 plus y1 equals some value 5 and x1 minus y1 equals some value 6. இப்படி இருந்ததுனா you can do the elimination method and solve these two equations. இதே மூணு இருந்ததுனா it will be a long process to solve. So அந்த மாதிரி கேசஸ்ல it is very easy to use this method, determinants method. So இதுல என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? x, y, z. The values which we need to find is going to be put in a separate matrix x, y, z. Okay? Then you have the constants which are d1, d2, d3 that is put in a separate matrix. Okay, this is all called இப்போ ஒரே ஒரு column தான் இருக்கு இல்லையா இந்த இடத்துல. So this is called a column matrix. So இந்த ரெண்டு values-யும் we are going to put it in a separate column matrix. இப்போ A matrix-ல என்ன இருக்க போகுது? I'm going to have the values A1, A2, A3 in the first column, B1, B2, B3 in the second column, C1, C2, C3 in the last column. Okay. So basically இதை நம்ம எப்படி solve பண்ண போறோம்? We have AX equals B. புரியுதா? So you have the matrix A which is going to be A1, B1, C1 and all that blah 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 times x, y, z is going to give me the matrix B which is going to be D1, D2, D3, A1, B1, C1 and so on. Okay. So this is going to be the matrix. So இதில x, y, z value எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம்? If you have AX equals B, then x equals A inverse times B. இப்படி தான் கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். Okay. So this is going to be the method that we are going to follow. So x என்னவா இருக்க போகுது? First A matrix ஓட inverse கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். அதை B ஓட multiply பண்ண போறோம். That's all. This is going to be a very simple process. Okay. So இதில ரெண்டு ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கு. ஒன்னு, for example, what is A inverse? A inverse is going to be 1 by determinant of A times adjoint A. இப்போ determinant of A 0வா இல்லாம இருக்கணும்ல, 0வா இருந்ததுன்னா என்ன பண்றது? So if it is a non-singular matrix, which means determinant of A is not equal to 0. இந்த மாதிரி இருந்ததுன்னா directly x equals A inverse B. If the determinant is going to be 0, which means இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல we are going to focus on adjoint A இல்லையா? So இப்போ what is this going to be? X equals A inverse times B, which is going to be 1 by determinant of A times adjoint A times B. So we are only going to focus on adjoint A times B. So இப்போ adjoint A times B ல focus பண்ணும்போது what is this value going to be? இப்போ adjoint A times B is going to be 0 na, it is going to have infinitely many solutions. இப்போ adjoint A times B is not equal to 0 na, we are not going to have any solution. Okay? So இதெல்லாம் வந்து basic idea that you should know, but we are only going to focus on non-singular matrices in this chapter. Okay? Determinant of A is not equal to 0 na வரப்போகுது. Okay? So this is the only formula that we are going to use in this particular chapter in the 12th standard. Okay? Now, let us solve an example. Solve the system of equations. So, first A matrix என்னவா இருக்க போகுது? It is going to be the coefficients of x and y in one column. So, you have 2, 3, 5, 2. இது A matrix. இப்போ X matrix என்னவா இருக்க போகுது? It is simply going to be x and y as a column matrix. இப்போ B matrix என்னவா இருக்க போகுது? These values, the values that are highlighted in purple. So, B matrix is going to be 1, 7. So, இப்போ A times x equals B, which means x can be found out by finding the inverse of A multiplying with B matrix. Okay, இப்போ A inverse எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம்? Same way, minus cofactors, then cofactor matrix, adjoint matrix, inverse. அவ்வளவுதான். Okay, B matrix already நம்மகிட்ட இருக்கு. இப்போ A inverse கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? அதே process தான். Okay, let's start finding the minus. So you have M11 equals 2, M12 equals 3. இந்த மாதிரி போன எக்ஸசைஸ்ல ஏகப்பட்ட சம்ஸ் போட்டோம். அதனால மைனஸ் கோஃபேக்டர்ஸ்லாம் ஈஸியா எடுக்க தெரியணும். Okay, then M21 equals M21 na, இதை ஹைட் பண்ணா I'll have 5. Then M22 is going to give me 2. இல்லையா? So it's going to give me 2. Now A11 is going to be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 times 2, which is going to be 2. இதெல்லாம் தெரியணும். A12 is going to be minus 1 to the power 3 times 3, which is going to be minus 3. Similarly, A21 is going to be minus 1 to the power 3 times 5, which is minus 5. A22 equals minus 1 to the power 4 times 2, which is going to be 2. So இங்க என்ன தெரியுது? A12 and A21 is going to give me a negative value. So அதெல்லாம் by default direct எழுத தெரியணும். Okay. Now what is the cofactor matrix of A? It is going to be 2, minus 3, minus 5, 2. So this is the cofactor. இப்போ adjoint matrix எப்படி எழுதுவோம்? Adjoint of A is going to be 2, minus 5. Column becomes the row, row becomes the column. And next row you have minus 3, 2. Now what is A inverse? A inverse is going to be 1 by determinant of A times adjoint A. இப்போ determinant of A என்ன? It is going to be determinant of 2, 5, 3, 2. So determinant என்னவா இருக்க போகுது? 2 2s are 4 minus 5 3s are 15. So this is going to be minus 11. So, இப்போ எல்லா values இருக்கு. You have determinant of A which is minus 11. You have adjoint of A. இப்போ x value கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So, x equals A inverse times B which is going to be 1 by determinant of A which is minus 11 times adjoint A which is 2 minus 5 minus 3 2. இந்த இடத்துல தெரியுதா? 2 minus 5 minus 3 2 times B. What is the B matrix? 1, 7. 1 and 7. Okay, so இது வந்து என்ன ஆர்டர்ல இருக்கு? This is of the order 2 by 2 and this is of the order 2 by 1. So இது மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாமா? So final matrix என்னவா இருக்க போகுது? It is going to be a 2 by 1 matrix. அப்படின்னா you are only going to have two values which are going to be a x and y. அதான கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கோம். So you are going to find the x and y. So minus 1 by 11 அப்படியே இருக்க போகுது. When I multiply this inside, I have first row and the first column. So 2 ones are 2 minus 7 5s are 35. Then minus 3 plus 14. So this is going to be minus 1 by 11 times 2 minus 35 is going to be minus 33. 3 minus 3 plus 14 is going to be 11. So when I divide by 11, when I multiply the minus 1 by 11 inside, I'm going to have 3 and minus 1. So this is my x matrix. So x matrix enna? It is going to be x, y equals 3 minus 1. So from this you have the value of x to be 3 and value of y to be minus 1. Okay. This method will be very, very useful when you are solving a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. Please copy. Now example 17. Solve the following system of linear equation. Okay, so first இது general formல கொடுத்திருக்கான்னு check பண்ணணும். x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z. Okay, so it is in the general form. So let me write the A matrix. A matrix is going to be 3 minus 2, 3, x, y, z. இப்போ second rowல second linear equation. So 2, 1 and minus 1. Sign லாம் பார்த்து போடுங்க. எங்க minus எங்க plus எல்லாம் பார்த்து போடுங்க. Then next line 4 minus 3, 2. So this is the A matrix. X matrix is going to be the usual x, y, z. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. So x, y, z இருக்கு. Then B matrix is going to be 8, 1, 4. Okay, simple. இப்போ A inverse கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? I need to find the minus. So M11 equals M11 now I have to hide this and this. So I'll be left with 1, minus 1, minus 3, 2. So this is going to be 2 minus 3 which is minus 1. Then M12 equals, I need to erase this. M12 na I have to erase this and this. So I'll be left with 2 minus 1, 4, 2. So this is going to be 2 2s are 4 minus of minus 4 which is plus 4. So 8. Then M13 equals, I have to hide this and this. So I have determinant 2, 1, 4, minus 3. So this is going to be 3 2s are minus 6, minus 4. So this is minus 10. Then M21. M21 na I can erase this and hide this. So I have minus 2, 3, minus 3, 2. Minus 2, 3, minus 3, 2. So this is going to be minus 4, minus of, minus 9. So this is going to be plus 5. Then M22 is going to be determinant of, when I erase this, 2, 2 na center row. Yeah? So this is going to be 3, 3, 4, 2. 3, 3, 4, 2. So 3 2s are 6, minus 12, which is minus 6. Then M23. M23 is going to be, when I erase this, is going to be this. So 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3. So this is minus 9, minus of minus 8. So plus 8 which is minus 1. Then M31. Last row la I'm going to erase this. So I have minus 2, 3, 1 minus 1. Minus 2, 3, 1 minus 1. So this is going to be 2 minus 3 which is minus 1. Then M32 is going to be determinant of, when I erase this, it's going to be 3, 3, 2, minus 1. 3, 3, 2, minus 1. So this is minus 3, minus 6, which is minus 9. Okay. Then last element, M33 is going to be determinant of, when I erase this, last element is 3 minus 2, 2, 1. So 3 minus 2, 2, 1. So this is 3 minus of minus 4. So this is going to be 7. Ipo cofactors. Okay. So A11 is going to be minus 1 to the power 2 times minus 1 which is minus 1. Then A12 equals minus 1 to the power 3 times 8 which is minus 8. Next A13 is going to be minus 1 to the power 4 times minus 10 which is going to be minus 10. A21 is minus 1 to the power 3 times 5 which is minus 5. Okay. Sign mattum careful போடணும். A22 equals minus 1 to the power 4 times minus 6 which is minus 6. A23 equals minus 1 to the power 5 times minus 1, minus into minus plus. So plus 1. Then A31 equals minus 1 to the power 4 times minus 1 which is minus 1. A32 equals minus 1 to the power 5 times minus 9 which is plus 9. Minus minus plus ஆயிடும். Then a 3 3 equals minus 1 to the power 6 times 7 which is going to be 7. Okay. So இப்போ cofactor matrix எழுதலாமா? So the cofactor matrix of A is going to be first row la I'm going to have minus 1 minus 8 minus 10. So let me write that minus 1 minus 8 minus 10. Then second row la enna irukku podhu I'm going to have minus 5 minus 6 1. Second row minus 5 minus 6 1, and in the last row what is it going to be? Minus 1 9 7. Minus 1 9 7. So this is the cofactor matrix of A. If adjoint A is going to be the transpose of this. So minus 1 minus 8 minus 10 minus 5 minus 6 1 minus 1 9 7. Okay, so adjoint A முடிஞ்சது. Now we need to find the determinant of A. So determinant of A is going to be determinant of, what is A matrix? 3 minus 2 3 2 1 minus 1 4 minus 3 2. Okay, so we need to find the determinant of this. So I'm going to expand along எந்த row பண்ணலாம்? We can do it along row 2. So row 2 வச்சு பண்ணா I have minus 1 to the power இங்க என்ன இருக்கு? A 1 1 A 2 1 A 2 2 A 2 3. When you take the determinant, it is going to be minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 times 2. Times 2 na in the row, this row and this particular column. So I'll be left with minus 2 3 minus 3 2. Then plus minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 1 into. Ipa edha erase panna pora, I'm going to erase this and this. So I can find the determinant by hiding this. So 3 3 4 2. Then plus minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3. But anga innor or minus 1 irukku, adha marandra kudadu. Next, the determinant is going to be, when I hide this and this, I'll be left with 3 minus 2 4 minus 3. So this is going to be, so in that I'm going to have a minus 1. Here it is going to be a plus 1, and here it is going to be minus 1. Inga already or minus 1 irukku, so combined I'm going to get a plus 1. Okay, so this is going to be minus 2 times the determinant is going to be minus 4 minus half minus 9. So plus 9 plus 1 times 3 2s are 6 minus 4 3s are 12. Then plus 1 times 3 3s are 9. So minus 9 plus 8. So final line I'll have minus 2 times minus 4 plus 9 is 5 plus 1 into 6. So this is minus 6, then minus 1. So in the end I have minus 10 minus 6 minus 1, which is going to be minus 17. So we have found out the determinant of A, which is minus 17, and adjoint of A. So now we can find A inverse. So now X equals A inverse B, which is going to be 1 by determinant A times adjoint A times B. So 1 by determinant A in minus 17 times adjoint A in you have minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 1 minus 5 minus 1. Second row minus 8 minus 6 9 minus 8 minus 6 9. Third row la minus 10 1 7. So minus 10 1 7 times B. What is your B matrix? 8 1 4. 8 1 4. Okay. So now X equals 1 by minus 17 அப்படியே இருக்கும். Inside you have first row and the one and only column. So it is going to be minus 8 minus 5 minus 4. Second row la minus 8. 8 8s are 64. So minus 64 minus 6 plus 9 4s are 36. Then last row la you have minus 80 plus 1 plus 28. So this is going to be minus 1 by 17 times minus 8 minus 9 is minus 17. Then minus 64 minus 6 minus 70 minus 70 plus 36. Minus 70 plus 36 is going to be minus 34. Then next line minus 79 28. So this is going to be minus 51. Okay. So when you simplify this, when you take the minus 1 by 17 inside the matrix, you're going to have X matrix to be 1, 2 and 3. So in give X value, X equals 1, Y equals 2 and Z equals 3. Okay. Please copy. Example 18. Okay. By the word problem. It is given that the sum of 3 numbers is 6. So we have sum of 3 numbers. So X plus Y plus Z equals 6. If we multiply third number by 3, so third number enna Z, adha 3 ala multiply pannalam, and add second number to it. So adding second number to it, we'll get 11. Okay, so this is one equation. Then by adding the first and the third numbers, so by adding the first and the third numbers, we get double of the second number. So idu rendathiyum add panna, you are going to get double of the second number, which means 2 times y. Idu rendathiyum add panna, when I add these two, it is going to be in the number vida double. So this is going to be the equation. Okay, in the edathila into 2 nu potra kudadu. Okay, please be very very careful. This is not what is given. X plus Z add panna y vida double ah varapodhu. So X plus Z equals 2y. This is the equation. Represent algebraically. Okay, so what are the 3 different equations? You have x plus y plus z equals 6. I'll write the equations one more time. So you have x plus y plus z equals 6. Then 0 plus y plus 3z equals 11. Then this equation is going to be x minus 2y plus z equals 0. Okay, இதை இப்போ matrix formula represent பண்ணலாமா? These are the three equations. So you have a equals first equation லேந்து 1 1 1, second equation லேந்து 0 1 3, third equation லேந்து 1 minus 2 and 1. இது a matrix. Then x matrix is as usual going to be x y z and b matrix is going to be 6 11 0. Okay, இப்போ a inverse கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? What are the minors? m11 equals, when I hide this and this, I'll have 1 3 minus 2 1. This is going to be 1 minus of minus 6 plus 6, so 7. Then m12 equals, m12 na I can hide this and this, so I'll have 0 3 1 1. So this is going to be 0 minus 3, which is minus 3. Then m13. m13 is going to be 0 1 1 minus 2. So this is going to be 0 minus 1, which is 1 minus 1. Then m21 is going to be, hiding this, 1 1 minus 2 1. 1 1 minus 2 1. So this is going to be 1 minus of minus 2, which is going to be 3. Then m22. m22 என்ன? இதை வந்து ஸ்டெப் ஸ்டெப்பா இந்த மாதிரி ஹைட் பண்ணியே போடுங்க, அப்பதான் வரும். m22 na I'm going to hide this and this, so I have 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So this is going to be 0. Then m23 is going to be determinant of, hiding this, 1 1 1 minus 2. 1 1 1 minus 2, which is minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Then m13, sorry, m13 la m31. m31 is going to be third row, yeah. So m31 is going to be, hiding this, you have 1 1 1 3. 1 1 1 3, and this is going to be 3 minus 2, which is 1. m31 முடிஞ்சது. Now m32. m32 is going to be determinant of, let me hide this. So this is going to be 1 1 0 3. So 1 1 0 3. So this is going to be 3 minus 0, which is going to be 3. And m32 நான் இங்கே போடுறேன். So m33 equals, the determinant is going to be, hiding this, you have 1 1 0 1. So 1 1 0 1, and this is going to be simply 1. இப்போ cofactors கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So from this I have a11 equals minus 1 square times 7, which is 7. Then a12 equals minus 1 to the power 3 times minus 3, minus into minus plus. Then a13 equals minus 1 to the power 4 times minus 1, this is minus 1. a21 equals minus 1 to the power 3 times 3, which is minus 3. Then a22 equals 0. a23 equals minus 1 to the power 5 minus 3 minus minus plus, so plus 3. Then a31 equals minus 1 to the power 4 times 1, which is 1. Then a32 is going to be minus 1 to the power 5 times 3, which is minus 3. Then last a33 is going to be minus 1 to the power 6 times 1, which is going to be 1. Okay, இப்போ cofactor matrix எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? Cofactor matrix of A is going to be, the first line is going to be 7 3 minus 1. So 7 3 minus 1. Second row la minus 3 0 3. Second row minus 3 0 3. Third row la 1 minus 3 1. Okay, 1 minus 3 1. And what is the adjoint matrix going to be? The transpose of this. So 7 3 minus 1 minus 3 0 3 and 1 minus 3 1. Okay, இப்போ adjoint A கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Now let's find determinant of A. So determinant of A is going to be, A matrix என்ன? 1 1 1 0 1 3 1 1 1 0 1 3 and last row 1 minus 2 1 1 minus 2 1. Okay, so I'm going to find the determinant along the second row now. Okay, second row வச்சு போட்டா you have 0 plus, these are all going to be a11 a21 a22 a23 இல்லையா? So I'm going to do it along row 2. நம்ம என்ன ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி படிச்சிருக்கோம்? Do you remember? a21 times a21 plus a22 times capital A22 plus a23 times capital 2, 3 இந்த மாதிரி determinant கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? We have already found the cofactors. So திரும்ப எதுக்கு பண்ணணும்? Now A21 is going to be 0. So first term 0 ஆயிடும். Then A22 is going to be 1 into capital A22 என்ன வந்தது? From here it is going to be 0 also. So 1 times 0 plus A23 is going to be 3 times capital A23 என்ன வந்தது? It is going to be 3 from here. Okay. So direct இந்த மாதிரியும் போடலாமா? So this is one shortcut. இந்த மாதிரி மெத்தட்ல cofactor matrix கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம்னா டைரக்டா இந்த மாதிரியும் determinant கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். திரும்ப ஒன்னொன்னுத்துக்கும் மறைச்சு கிரச்செல்லாம் பண்ண வேண்டாம். Okay. So this is going to be 3 3s are 9 plus 0 which is going to be 9. So determinant of A also we have found out. Now x equals A inverse times B which is going to be 1 by determinant A times adjoint A times B. So this is going to be 1 by 9 times adjoint A 7 minus 3 1 3 0 minus 3 minus 1 3 1 times B is going to be 6 11 0. Okay. So 6 11 0. Let me start multiplying. So you have X matrix to be 1 by 9 times. Ipo first row and one and only column. So you have 7 6 are 42 minus 33 plus 0. Next row la 6 3s are 18 plus 0 minus 0 again. Then last row la you have a minus 1. So minus 6 plus 33 plus 0. இப்போ total என்ன ஆக போகுது 1 by 9 times 42 minus 33 is going to be 9. 18 minus 0 is going to be 18. 33 minus 6 is going to be 33 minus 6 na you have 23 7 27. So 27 when you divide you are going to have 1 2 and 3. So this is going to be the X matrix. So from this you have X equals 1, Y equals 2 and Z equals 3. Okay. Please copy. We are done with the example questions. Let's move on to exercise questions. Okay. நிறைய questions solve பண்ணுங்க அப்பதான் ஈஸியா வரும்.